Did you know that the present simple tense is one of the most frequently used tense forms in the English language? Fascinating, isn't it? It's a cornerstone of our everyday communication, helping us to convey routine actions, general truths, and fixed arrangements. Take, for instance, she enjoys reading books in her free time. The verb enjoys, in its present simple form, expresses a habit or recurring activity. Similarly, the sun rises in the east and sets in the west uses the present simple tense to state a general truth. Now, consider the sentence. He works as a software engineer at a tech company. Here, the verb works is in the present simple tense, illustrating a permanent situation. When we say, they live in a small town near the beach, we're using the present simple tense to depict a long-term situation. Or when we state, the train departs from the station at 9 o'clock, the present simple tense is used to express a fixed arrangement. And when we proclaim, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, or the earth revolves around the sun, we're using the present simple tense to state scientific facts. See how versatile the present simple tense is. It's not just for the here and now, it's a tense form that allows us to express a multitude of situations and states. Now, consider the sentence. He plays the guitar in a band on weekends. This is another example of the present simple tense being used to describe a recurring activity. Similarly, she runs 3 miles every day for exercise, uses the present simple tense to talk about a regular routine. It's clear that the present simple tense is a powerful tool in our linguistic arsenal, and with practice, you too can master its usage. And remember, for more grammar tips and language learning videos, do subscribe to this channel. There's a whole world of language exploration waiting for you. So, why wait? Dive into the fascinating world of grammar with us.